this is a moment when the claps should be coming in. Everybody, please put your hands together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. But now we've seen the jersey. It is now time for us to see something really, really important. Now it's time to unveil what every fan, every rider, and every team will fight for. The official ISRL League Trophy. This is not just metal, it's pride, glory, and the future of Indian motorsports. All the cameras over here as we see the trophy unveiled. And here we go. Let's go. This is the trophy, ladies and gentlemen. All the teams, this is what you will be fighting for.
मोटरसाइकिल से तो हेवी ट्रॉफी है भाई, तो कौन उठा पाएगा?
That beautiful trophy, and one gentleman, just to one more time, if you can just stand over here, one more last picture with everybody. The trophy, Salman Khan, and the two pillars of the league, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together. Thank you everybody. Thank you, sir. Now request gentlemen to please take a seat. Mr. Salman Khan, ladies and gentlemen, yes, the wait is over. And with the cheers, please welcome Mr. Salman Khan. I'd like to hear a round of applause for a man. I think it's time to get the enthusiasm going, so I'm going to do this one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the face of the Indian Salman Khan. Right, let's start the evening now. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's evening now, right? Good evening, everyone. Distinguished members of the media, respected partners, esteemed guests, and friends joining us over here at Taj Lands End. Right? My name is RJ Sammy, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this landmark, not just for entertainment, but for India's growing sport and business ecosystem. Today, we are here to witness a powerful chapter in the journey of Indian Cross Racing League, a league that is blending technology, brand, and global entertainment like never before. What started as a bold dream by racing champions has now evolved into
and that's my message to everybody, and you guys should spread it across as well. Race licensed events and be safe, and Supercross is a lot of fun.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for these two gentlemen who are making history today and making this sport ever popular in our country. Now, we just saw a video which spoke about season 1, and for all our friends over here from the media, a few pointers that I think you would love to know about. Now, let me summarize these for you. Season 1 of ISRL was all about what it was all about. A league co-founded by Veer Patel and Ishan Lokhande, two individuals who turned their lifelong racing passion into India's first ever franchisee-based Supercross platform. Season 1 marked a historic debut across Ahmedabad, Pune, and Bengaluru, delivering world-class racing, packed stadiums, national and global attention, and an electrifying fan experience. In just 3 days, which is just 9 hours of live broadcast, ISRL achieved an incredible 11.4 million views across TV, OTT, and digital platforms. ISRL Season 1 proved that it is the only entertainment and sporting property in India to consistently fill large stadiums after cricket. Across all three host cities were packed with enthusiastic fans, creating an electric atmosphere never before seen in Indian motorsport. The league attracted top racers from across the as an official brand ambassador, right? But today, he's going one step forward. I'm not saying anything after that. Now, we're proud to introduce a man who needs no introduction. Some call him a star. We call him a game changer. The man who's never just followed the path, but carved his own. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride, we invite the man who brings unmatched passion and energy to ISRL, Mr. Salman Khan, to join us up here on stage. Put your hands together, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Right, sir, thank you so much for being here.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah. The thing is that, sir, everybody wants to hear from you. How does it feel to be over here, sir, today? Whoa! Put your hands together. That's what we're talking about.
ये दबंग फोर के लिए था. So I think this is amazing. Nana, I've known Ishan and Veer. In fact, Veer was named Veer after Veer, the film. Father Raju called me up and he said कि यार पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी लगी. वैसे सिर्फ आप ही को अच्छी लगी, इसलिए वो मैं अपने बेटे का नाम वीर रखना चाहता हूँ. Just kidding. जब तक वी रिलीज हुई ये ऑलरेडी बाहर थे और मोटरसाइकिल पर थे. So I've known these guys for the longest time. So I remember I was doing a film called Race, और उसमें एक मोटरसाइकिल का सीक्वेंस था. So I got in touch with them. Remember that? And they came to teach me how to ride. I mean, I knew how to ride, so they were riding with me at the farm, and they also came to Thailand where we shot it. And ये थाईलैंड में मोटरसाइकिल से नहीं गिरे, लेकिन रात को एक दो बार ये गिर गया. Yeah, so you know, I've always been a rider, and hi baby, hi. I've always been a rider. Always liked when some cycle se leke motorcycle tak, and I really enjoy that. I can't do this often right now, but I still do ride at the farm. These guys have helped me make a track, so I ride on the track. अभी वो jumps वम्स नहीं करता मैं, because shooting पे भी जाना पड़ता है कि थोड़ा सा गिरा गया तो 3-4 महीने, you know, not be able to shoot. Yeah, पूरे सेफ्टी गियर वगैरह से. See, I live in Bandra, and ये जो हाईवे जो है हमारा, ये जो हम लोग फिल्म सिटी थाना जिसमें जाते हैं, so there's this group of guys, lots of them, they ride bikes there, and for a little bit of money. And I myself have carried some 3-4 kids to the hospital, and इस highway पर बहुत सारी deaths हुई because of racing. They race on the roads and between cars. So I just think that if you need to race, we have this now. Come aboard and practice with us and race with us for a larger sum of money and with proper gear. I think that racing on the road is not only safe for you but for other people as well. So अब ऐसी कोई टीम थी ही नहीं, ऐसा कोई क्लब था ही नहीं. अभी आ गया है ये Indian Supercross Racing League. So a lot of people can, you know, now join us and start racing professionally. Correct? That. और क्या बोलूँ मैं? क्या? हाँ? और क्या बोलूँ बस ना? मेरा बाइक एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत हैं मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस, और एक आध दो बार गिरा भी हूँ. अरे मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. So I thought my father was upset with me one day and he went to the farm. This is about time पहले की बात है, और मेरे पास उस वक्त एक हायाबुसा हुआ करती थी. So I said चलो, I have to go to the farm and apologize to him. So I rode there. Now while I was riding, I was not wearing a helmet and my cap was ulta and my cap flew. And I said, Bapre, this is not the way to ride at all. And then I rode very slowly at 35-40 kilometers an hour. And I reached the farm. I took a left turn and the bike skidded. And we went into the jungle. I tried to pick up the bike. I couldn't pick up the bike. Then my car came behind me. We all picked up the bike. Got the bike on the road again. Started riding again. Took a right turn and the bike skidded again. There's a lot of gravel there. Anyway, यहाँ से पूरा छिल गया था, pink हो गया था. So I went ahead. Went to see my father. He said, "अरे, तुम इधर क्या कर रहे हो?" I said, "No, I just thought that you were upset with me." He said, "नहीं, मैं तो farm पे आ रहा था." तो he said, "अच्छा, तुम आ गए यहाँ पे?" He said, "क्या हुआ?" I said, "कुछ नहीं, वो बहुत सारा gravel था और skid हो गया मैं." तो he said, "कितनी बार?" इस तरह भी, इस तरह भी. He said, 2 बार. ये सर तुमको बाइक पे चलाने आती नहीं है तो तुम काय को चलाते हो यार? तो सर लाओ मेरी बाइक निकालो. So we got his Triumph 100, Tiger 100, and then he rode it, and then I took another bike, and me and my father went for a long ride in the night at the farm. So that was a really good experience that I had. वो हील होने में कुछ काफ़ी टाइम लगा. Thank God no bones were broken, but it was a good experience.
A memorable experience, sir.
And I remember one more experience is that when I learned how to ride a cycle. So my father got me a cycle for 25 paisa for an hour ka bhada. I must have been 4 or 5. So he was holding me, he was holding the seat, and he took me ahead. And I thought he was still holding me. And so we used to live in Old Kantwadi at that point in time. So there was a small patch. So I went ahead, I took a turn, I came back, and I saw him standing in front of me. I realized that, oh shit, he's not holding me. And I came right next to him and I fell. Because I thought that he was holding me, so that support was there. You know, that confidence of my father holding me was there. And I fell, and my father looked at me and said, देखो, चलाते रहो, उठो और चलाओ. तो एक पिलर का हाथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके पीछे. वही आपको confidence देता है. Like what my father did for me.
Right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Salman Khan, of course, man with the stories. It is now to request Veer and Ishan to present Salman Bhai with the ISRL official number plate, and I would request Bhai to please sign the number plate as well.
Forever 27.
The signed number plate, ladies and gentlemen. This is the ISRL official number plate, and it is now time to reveal the jersey that represents it all. Presenting the official ISRL jersey to Mr. Salman Khan. Let the flashbulbs crack as we unveil the official ISRL jersey. And I request everyone present to please put your hands together as we see the official ISRL jersey for the very first time.
तो तो स्वीटहार्ट एक बात बोलना भूल ही गया था मैं कि मैं इन दोनों अंकलों को ना बहुत टाइम पहले से जानता हूँ. जब इन्होंने ये लीग स्टार्ट किया था उस वक्त से जानता हूँ मैं. समझिए आप? यू अंडरस्टैंड? नहीं नहीं, वहीं 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 पर. व्हाट डिड यू गेट इट? बहुत टाइम पहले से जानता हूँ. पहले मैं देखा, मैंने इसको बोला कि स्टार्ट कर लो, अगर अच्छा चलता है तो मैं आ जाऊँगा. इन्होंने अच्छा करा दिया तो इसलिए मैं आया हूँ एज ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. अच्छा लिसन, हेलो, वन मोर थिंग आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू. इन्वेस्टर भी हो जाऊंगा मैं इसमें. यू वांट टू कम इन एज इन्वेस्टर विद मी? व्हाट?
I think this is a moment when the claps should be coming in. You know, everybody, please put your hands together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. But now we've seen the jersey. It is now time for us to see something really, really important. Now it's time to unveil what every fan, every rider, and every team will fight for. The official ISRL League Trophy. This is not just metal, it's pride, glory, and the future of Indian motorsports. All the cameras over here as we see the trophy unveiled. And here we go. Let's go. This is the trophy, ladies and gentlemen. All the teams, this is what you will be fighting for.
मोटरसाइकिल से तो हैवी ट्रॉफी है भाई, तो कौन उठा पाएगा?
That beautiful trophy. And one gentleman, just to one more time, if you can just stand over here, one more last picture with everybody. The trophy, Salman Khan, and the two pillars of the league, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together. Thank you everybody. Thank you, sir. Now request gentlemen to please take a seat. All right. Now that everyone's settled in, one small request is that while we are doing this segment, I would want everybody to give it a little low so that, we get good audio bites. Of course, you'll get good pictures and videos as well. But for the audio, please request to keep the volume of the room a little on the lower side. Thank you very much. Now, what we're going to do now, gentlemen, is that we are going to have a rapid fire. Right? The rules are very simple. I ask you a question and you just need to answer as quickly as you can. And I'm not going to follow any order. I'm going to ask you randomly just to keep this a little more fun. All right? I'm going to start, of course, with you, sir, Salman Bhai. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word Supercross?
I lost the game.
For you, we will give you more time.
Rapid fire, itna.
Yeah, rapid combo, we'll just pull this down a little. But yes, when you hear Supercross, what is the first word that comes to your mind?
Superhero.
Sorry?
Superhero. Winner.
Superhero. Okay. Now my next question is that in the 80s and the 90s, did you ever get a chance to see a Supercross race like
Yes, I did. In fact, I rode a cycle all the way from Mumbai to Pune with friends of mine who is still a very dear friend of mine. His name is Jaggi. So on the Khandala Ghat, he held my hand and I was riding behind, and they were in a jeep. It was a Mahindra jeep. They had another friend of ours, Nikki. His father used to own an agency. Now these boys were slightly older than I was, so I was still on the cycles, and they had just gone into cars and bikes and all that stuff. So he held my hand, the whole Khandala, was that national highway, क्या है वो? Khandala
पुराना वाला?
Ghati.
हाँ.
Yeah, that. And then, so we went and watched this league in Pune. वो सब पुणे में हुआ करता था.
Right.
Yeah, I think some international supercross हुआ करता था वहाँ पर. So उसके बाद, वो supercross के बाद जब they used to make me do wheelies and stoppies and all that stuff, जो कि मेरे cycle था ही मेरे पास करता था. So they used to gather crowd by me doing all these things. And I was very young. So they used to, that's how they got their friends and their women and
Yeah,
all
of
that.
course.
तुम करो भाई मेहनत.
Right, but you know, when you saw it for reaction, like, what was the experience like?
It was amazing. I mean, the way these guys rode was fantastic, and I saw these two international guys riding, and ये हमारे लोगों में कोई क्लास ही नहीं था, कोई क्लास ही नहीं था. ये इन्होंने शुरू किया है और इन्होंने ख़त्म भी कर दिया है. Means they were doing, I mean, their wheels were not on the ground only, they were just in the air, and our guys were like that way. So there was a huge difference at that point in time because infrastructure nahi tha hamare paas. Now Ishan and Veer have got all the infrastructure, all the bikes are there, you know, trainers are there. These guys themselves are fantastic because they've trained abroad.
Right.
So now you will not have to go and train abroad, you can train here only.
Correct, of course. And you know, also, now that we are on the topic of supercross racing, I know that you have a few dirt bikes.
I've got a lot of dirt bikes.
Yeah, how many do you have?
I have quite a few. Quite a few.
Can we put a
Yeah.
number to it, or are we not putting any numbers today?
Dirt bikes. So I have all the YZs and the RMs and the ITs and the DTs. Yeah, and I've got the e-bikes also, the Surons, and I've got the Hayabusas, and I've got the Intruders, and I've got all that, and then the Indian bikes also, and then lot of bikes. I mean, I've been collecting bikes for the longest time.
Okay, let's just put it like that. Yes,
And it's growing.
and it's growing, of course.
So I see these bikes in पर नजर है मेरी. यहाँ से जाते ही बोल दूंगा कि ये दो घर भिजवाओ.
ये एक दो घर भिजवाओ.
Pack the
Yeah.
bikes fast.
आया
sorry?
हूँ कुछ तो लेके
The bikes
जाऊंगा.
fast.
Of course.
आया हूँ कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा.
Bilkul, sir, bilkul. Now, moving on, sir, thank you so much. Coming to Veer, you know, 3 words to describe going into ISRL Season 2. 3 words. First 3 words that come to your mind.
Bigger, bolder, faster, and definitely louder.
Louder, 100%, absolutely. So, bigger, bolder, faster, and louder. Okay. Also, ISRL just isn't a racing league, is what I hear. It's an automotive, entertainment, and youth platform. Now, you know, how are brands or OEMs reacting to this new format? Whenever a new format comes in, you know, it takes a little bit of time. But how are they kind of, you know, coping up with its new format coming in?
So I think ISRL is the only growth platform in the auto sector in India right now. And I think the brands are seeing this as an opportunity to collaborate, launch and test their products with us. And most importantly, they're getting to connect with audiences in a very fresh and new format.
Absolutely, right. Salman bhai, my next question was to you.
Yeah, I'm standing.
okay.
I don't want to sit.
All right, okay, sure.
I don't like sitting.
Should we also stand? I think then let's do this without the chairs, right? All right, now, so I want to know that
मेरी ये है कि अगर आदमी बैठेगा तो बैठ ही जाएगा. खड़ा रहना जरूरी है.
Bilkul, sir. Season 2 ISRL, I think this everybody in the room wants to know. Are we seeing you at the races?
Yes, for sure.
100%?
Yeah, 100% because I want to be, don't want to be seen at the races, but I want to see the races.
Salman Bhai will definitely be there. It's an exciting time for all of us. Put your hands together because yes, season 2, we're going to see Salman Bhai at the races every single time. Now, moving on, Veer, I know that, you
साइड में
wear,
मम्मी है कहा था ना बेटी माँ पर गई है लेकिन ये कैसा हो गया भाई मतलब
Supercross over there as well. I'm going to ask you, yes.
सुपर क्रॉस तो वो है भाई वो क्रॉस देखो
Right. Moving on, Veer, I'll come to you. You wear a lot of hats. What is more difficult, racing Supercross?
मम्मी ने
or-
डैडी को बताया हाँ तुमने बहुत मेहनत लगी
Coming back to you, right? You wear a lot of hats. Which one is tougher? Which is more difficult? Is it racing Supercross or running the league?
I think
Handling me.
Handling you.
that is definitely there. I think racing Supercross is tougher on the body. And running ISRL is tougher on my sleep, time and peace of mind. So definitely running ISRL is difficult.
Is more difficult, right? So,
Good question.
yeah, sure.
भाई साहब आप मुझे बताओ कि बच्ची हो गई है आपकी हाँ लेकिन अभी भी एक्साइटमेंट के शादी हो गई बच गया ये चल रहा है कि नहीं माइंड में हाँ चल रहा है ना
Old friends uniting, ladies and gentlemen, over here. But sir, I'm going to come back to you.
Indian Supercross Racing League outside my league my wife
Outside your league is over there. The league is over here.
there is a God he proves it
There is a Lord. I'm going to come back to you, sir. On the
no.
league that is within us, not the league that is outside.
I'm lost now
Oh, man. All right.
कमाल है यार तेरी भी हो गई
The star of the show, ladies and gentlemen, is over there today. Yeah? Out of Salman Khan's league is saying something about the lady. But the question is, I would like to also want to know from you, is now here.
ये तो जिंदगी की रेस में बहुत आगे निकल गया हम लोग इंडियन सुपरक्रॉस रेसिंग लीग की बात कर रहे हैं
Oh, man.
By the way, one of the first races. Yeah,
October.
October.
Right. So, ISRL के format के बारे में, what excites you the most, Salman bhai? Is it the racing, the business, or the energy?
What?
What excites you the most about the ISRL format?
What is RSRL for?
ISRL. Indian
IS.
Supercross Racing League. Yeah.
Supercross.
We'll come back.
He excites me the most about this format.
We got to get him into the league. I think
He's
that is
above our league.
already part of
No. So what excites me the most is that these guys have done a fantastic job. It is going to be on an international level with pura safety, the bikes are going to be the best super bikes that you could ever see, and even international riders are going to be here. So this is going to be एक ऊपर का level का.
that. Okay. And, of course, the fans love seeing you on screen. Any chance in the near future you plan to make a movie on motorsport?
ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट मिलनी चाहिए. But I would want to ride on their tracks.
You would want to.
I would like to do at least some couple of laps on that.
100%, sir, 100%. Yes, that is something that we are looking forward to, all of us, into it. Moving on, I'm going to, if you had to give me one word for investor confidence in the league, what would that one word be?
Growing.
Growing.
Yeah.
It is growing. Confidence is growing, of course. Now, Ishan, I'll come to you. I haven't spoken to you for a while.
I'm here.
Yeah, you're there, of course. Now, one actor, my question to you is, one actor from Bollywood you think can ride a supercross bike on the track?
You're asking this question today.
Yeah.
It's him.
Of course it is Salman Khan, of course.
No, I think there are quite a few. I've just saw some stuff of Ishan and Shahid riding. John rides. Dino rides. और कौन है बहुत सारे हैं जो कि चलाते हैं बाइक्स.
But season 2 we are seeing you, sir, for sure. Right? Right, okay. And just coming to, I think, the last question, sir. This is for everybody. One message to all your fans who will now be attracted to this league because you are a part of it. You have this huge fan base. A lot of people will be attracted towards the league now that you are associated. What is that one message you'd like to give them?
Be safe till then, and then when you come here, we'll make sure that you have all the safety gear, and we'll take care of your safety.
Right. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Now, moving on, that is the end of the rapid fire from me. Now what we are doing now is very, very important. It is now time to welcome the best of the best, the top supercross riders from across the country. There are India's finest talents on two wheels, riders who live for speed, skill, and pure passion. And alongside them, let's welcome the youngest superstars of Supercross, our mini riders. They are the future of Indian motorsport and the heart of what ISRL is building. I request you to please sign their jerseys, sir.
So she is one of the only two girls who is racing Supercross right now in the entire country.
Right, Salman bhai, a few words of encouragement for the kids who are over here. What would you like to tell them?
I think they should encourage me into starting to ride once again.
So first of all, I thank you so much. I'm out of words. I've been your fan since the age of 2, 3, since I started watching movies. So I cannot believe that I'm standing in front of you or speaking to you. I have no words right now.
Standing here talking to me is because you've done so well in your field. So you're not standing here talking to me. I am standing here talking to you. I'm here because of you kids that you guys have done so well. और बेचारे का वो तो गिर के उसका दांत भी टूट गया हाँ तेरा सब है भाई
This is a moment that these kids will always cherish, I think, for the rest of their lives. I'd now like to call up on stage the senior riders, legends in their own rights, and all of them to join us up on stage. We want to take a picture with all of them.
Even me, I'm speechless. Like seeing Salman Khan sir standing beside me. Like it's a dream come true for me. So thank you, sir, joining Supercross.
It's honestly a dream come true to meet you, and I'm very happy. Yeah.
Yeah, how does it feel to be here on the same stage
Feels
as
amazing to meet Salman Khan sir. I'm really, really happy. I'm speechless.
speechless?
I came on the podium in all 3 races last year, and I finished overall second last year, and I had a lot of fun.
It's time for us to now call up on stage the senior riders while the kids are also
I'm
speaking.
speechless.
Yes, but tell me how many races you won in
I'm 2023 national attack champion. And last year, the 3rd round, I finished 4th.
Oh wow आप लोग दोनों
Yeah, so last year I won 4 out of 6 rounds of national championship, and I was 3rd in overall in ISRL and got 2 out of 3 podiums last year.
I'm a 3-time national champion in under 12, under 13, and under 14 category. I won 2 championships last year.
So I've raced in ISRL last year too, and this year in MRF, I'm second in the championship. I'm also looking forward to train internationally so that I improve my skills and race better, not only in ISRL and other international races too. So my goal is to represent India.
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Request.
3 chairs for your parents for letting you do this.
Yes, absolutely. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. And now I request all the riders to please line up over here. The senior riders at the back. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. What I want is the kids to come in front, please. The kids to come in front while we line up for the photo op.
They're all traveling, racing everywhere.
Can we have all of you kneel down? Yeah, let's see. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, one over here as well. Both of you can come here. Both of you can come here. Come. Yeah, one of them can go that side. Just kneel down. All right, let's go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The present, the future. Can we have a huge round of applause? On the stage right now, you can see literally the present and the future of the league. We're done. Thank you.
Just kill Ishan's speech. Just listen. Kill Ishan's speech.
Right. Ishan, I know you and we've been talking about, facilities that actually help young riders who are coming into the picture. Salman bhai, we're not letting you go yet, sir. I'll take the pen.
Quickly, skip the speech now.
Right, so let's just stand over here. Like they say, every future racer needs a place to be groomed. All eyes on the screen, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very important video for you. Please take a look. Now, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we're delighted to share that some of the franchisee team owners are over here with us today. May I now invite the following esteemed team owners to please come and join us on stage. Mr. Yogesh Mansaria, Chairman and Managing Director of the Mansaria Group, Mumbai, and owners of Reese Motorsport. Can I have you over here, please, sir? Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Joining him on stage, Mr. Uday and Mr. Gautam Reddy, the force behind Big Rock Dirt Park, Bangalore, and team owners of Big Rock Motorsport. Joining them also on stage, Mr. Dhruv Mohite, the owner of the Mohite Group from Kolhapur and the team owner of Mohite's Racing.
Firstly, very excited to have Salman as part of the league now. We're looking forward to have you at the races and cheer on the sport. And congratulations once again to Veer and Ishan and the ISRL team. I think season 1 was great. We are very excited and looking forward to season 2 and happy also to associate with the fan parks. Thank you.
As short as possible. The most vivid memory I have of Bhai here is when I was a kid coming down from Mahabaleshwar, he went right past me on his Intruder, in a blue color Intruder back then when he was shooting for a film, I guess. So a bigger name and most importantly, somebody who's passionate about the sport. It's a dream for me, but it's a dream for everybody else here.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks, Veer. As you all saw, the first season was a great success. And India has been lagging behind in motorsports, and this particular platform will definitely put us on the map. There's a whole lot of riders across India who will benefit from this league, and hopefully this will also create other formats to push their leagues as well, the road formats and other formats. Thanks to Veer and Ishan. And now, thanks to Salman, we'll make this even bigger and even better. And the second season, hopefully, again, Big Rock can win.
Absolutely, Big Rock can win one more time. It is now time, gentlemen, to get up on stage. We're talking about the Indian Supercross Racing League. We have the Mean Machine coming up on to the stage. We'll get everybody together for one photo op while the bike comes in. Thank you very much. Let's go bigger. Let's get louder. Ab India Karega Flirt with Dirt. Season 2 is on. We are all set for season 2, ladies and gentlemen. Let the flashbulbs go. This is a picture that you would want to take, all of you. Hold that, yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ladies. Thank you for joining us on this historic day. Season 2 is coming faster, louder, and bigger than ever.